The fire rose high, the night grew loud. They cast me in, but I'm not about. The heat can break what love has sealed. Your presence walks where pain is real. In the smoke, in the flame, I hear you calling out my name. In the radiant furnace, you stand with me. The flames bow down. I'm set free. Not a scar, not a chain remains. Your mercy dances in the blaze. You are with me. You are with me. You are with me. Every trial, every fear, you turn to ash. What brought me here? I see your light in darkest place. Your fire surrounds with holy grace. In the smoke, in the flame, I hear you calling out my name. In the radiant furnace, you stand with me. The flames bow down. I'm set free. Not a scar, not a chain remains. Your mercy dances in the blaze. You are with me. You are with me. You are with me. Glory shines where fear once lay. You lift me through the fire's way. Forth in the fire, Son of Man, you hold my soul in nail-scarred hands. In the radiant furnace, I rise made new. The fire burns bright with only you. No more fear, no turning back. My faith was forged in fire and fact. You are with me forever.